Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create dash line and border in Google Sheets document. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video I will show create dash line border. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Now select from a line. Now create a mini line from draw. Then you can say draw a mini line. Now going to the select from the first line. Now going to the line border width option. Now click for 12px. Now click for line dash option. Now click for a dash option. That's it. Then again second line. Now going to the border width option. Now click for 8px. Now click for a line dash. Then select from a dash option. Then select from third line. Now going to the border width. Now click for 12px. Now click for a dash option. That is. And then again another shape from draw. First draw from rectangle shape. Now secondly circle shape. The shape from the at border and to the dash line. Now going to the border width option, then click for a 3px. And now select from a border dash option. Then again select from a circle shape. Now click for a border width option. Now click for 4px. Now click for a border dash option. Then click for a border dash. That's it. Now click for save and close option. That's it. Then I show create line dash and border in Google Sheets document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.